everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a carrot butter that will brighten up your skin as well as get rid of dark spots. If you are interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So first I'm going to start by taking a medium sized carrot, and I'm just going to use this grater and I'm going to shred the carrot. So carrots are rich with vitamin A, which helps to regenerate dead skin cells as well as regenerate collagen cells. It also helps to prevent wrinkles and also fades the appearance of dark spots. After I shred the carrot, I'm just going to set that off to the side for now, and I'm just going to prepare the oil. So I have half a cup of coconut oil, and coconut oil is used to also brighten up the skin as well as reduce the appearance of dark spots and uneven skin tone. So I have my pan on medium heat. So now I'm going to add the shredded carrots to the coconut oil, and I'm just going to let this simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes on medium heat. So this is what the oil looks like after about 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove it from the heat, and I'm going to let it cool down. Now that the carrot oil has cooled down, I'm just going to run it through a sieve. Why I decided to use a mason jar for this part, I don't know, but just bear with me. Now I'm going to take the carrot oil and I'm just going to place it into a bowl, and I'm going to place the bowl into the refrigerator for a couple of hours until the coconut oil becomes solid again. So after a couple of hours, I removed the bowl from the refrigerator, and I'm using my whisk attachment to my mixer, and I'm just going to whip the coconut oil until I get the buttery consistency that I'm looking for. So this is a great butter to use on your face and on your body, especially if you're suffering from dark spots. I would suggest just taking a small amount and rubbing it on the affected area, and then just leaving it on overnight and then washing it off in the morning during your face routine or during your morning shower. So that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.